Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Khushi Kumari from BCA PPU first year. Here I am going to give a presentation on my topic, what is operating system and about its features. So let's start. First of all, what is operating system? An operating system are responsible for everything from control and allocation of memory to recognizing input from external devices and transmitting output to computer display. They also manage files on computer and peripherals like scanner and printer. An operating system also has a vital role to play in security. Its job include preventing unauthorized user from access computer system. There are multi-user, multitasking, multi-programming and real-time operating system. An operating system is the most important software and control computer hardware and other software program. Also, the user cannot execute command directly from the CPU in machine language, and the CPU cannot communicate directly with the user. As a result, the operating system is required to communicate between the user and CPU. The operating system acts as a middleman that translate all instruction between user and CPU. In simple word, we can say that operating system is heart of our computer that not only manages the basic tasks such as managing peripheral devices displaying screen and tracking data and files, but also perform advanced functions such as multi-programming and multitasking. A multi-user operating system enables multiple users to run program one by one. This type of operating system may be used for just a few people or hundred of them. In fact, there are some other operating system that are used to allow thousands of users to run a program at the same time. So we talk about booting. What is booting? Booting is the process that occurs when we press the power button to turn our computer on. In simple word, we can say that booting is the startup sequence that start operating system of our computer when it is on. So now we talk about some features of operating system. Operating system provide graphical user interface from the menu, icons and button. All input output devices are managed by operating system. It is user friendly interface. It can update time by time without any hassle. That's all from my side. Thank you.